RWB Kit is here. I'm here with Corey. You haven't seen it yet? Oh, there it is. This is it here, isn't it?
Oh, hey, look at here it is.
Yeah. You really haven't seen it yet. And these are the rockers, I guess?
Yeah. And there's some rubbers and stuff there, and there's some
What is that? That really is JDM. Right?
It's the Japanese version of
Yeah. Japanese super glue.
it. Says Bond on it, so it's some kind of adhesive. It's pretty heavy duty. Translated,
Toothpaste?
Corey?
Oh, it is toothpaste.
Yeah, here's your
Get your translator. This must be that stuff that's in front of the car. That rubber, because it doesn't actually...
the rubber lower molding.
That lower molding thing, right? Yeah.
Just an adhesive.
Metal
That's actually translating it?
Yep.
Yeah, see?
on screen.
Hold it over top.
Strong.
Strong. If you hold it long enough, it'll get all the words.
Extra money.
Extra money. That's exactly what I paid. Extra money for this. We have technically, if you guys paint this, like now, right? I'll have up to a week and a half for him, for this stuff to dry. How does that sound? Good? How much would you say is ideal?
Days. Well, a week minimum.
A week minimum?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so what's happening is after this gets painted by SSS, it goes to the tint studio for the Lumar matte film. Kind of give it that extra neat look. So Justin is going to be doing the paint for this.
Yep.
You look thrilled.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be super sweet.
How did it turn out? Like you had concerns about the quality of it because you've worked with Liberty Walks before and
Yeah.
they never came. I mean, mine wasn't perfect either, and
Liberty Walk?
yeah, not
The Liberty Walk kit was good, other than the diffuser.
diffuser. Okay.
The diffuser was like made out of wood.
Oh wow. But how does this look to you?
Oh, it's really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. There's no cracks on it. There's no bubbles. They're really nice pieces. They're really nice pieces. If you look on the inside, he has the supporting fiberglass that goes around the edges.
Oh wow.
So this is all just to make it more rigid. You know
Yep.
what I mean?
Yep.
Way stronger, branded, pre-drilled,
Oh yes.
which the Liberty Walks weren't.
Okay.
So, but you can just see the finish on them. You know, you can just feel it as far as feeling the piece like in your hands. It's a quality piece.
Every box is unique.
Yeah.
You should see how fancy my Liberty Walk box was when I got it. This
Yours was fancy.
the Liberty Walk box, yeah.
Because ours looked like it rolled down a mountain.
Okay.